To create the foundation single crochet, we will start with a slip knot on our hook and chaining 2. By chaining 2, we're creating the height of a single crochet, and we're going to work into this very first stitch with our slip knot. So insert your hook and draw up a loop, and you'll have 2 loops on the hook. Now we're just going to yarn over and draw through the yarn into that first loop only. So we create a chain on this side with our original loop on this side. Now yarn over and draw through 2 stitches, and you have created your first foundation single crochet. To make your second, we're going to work into this chain that you created. So just by turning the work just slightly, you can see this stitch here. We're going to work through both bits of yarn. So insert your hook into that stitch. So we have both loops there. Yarn over and draw up a loop. So we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and draw through that very first stitch to create the chain. Then yarn over and draw through both loops. And we have our second stitch, which is this one here. And then this is the chain that we created. And we continue that process for as many chains as your pattern requires. So each stitch that you make is your equivalent of 1 stitch in your pattern. So we'll do that one again. Insert your hook between both pieces of yarn and draw up a loop. Yarn over, draw through that first stitch only to create the chain, and then yarn over and draw through 2. So we have 3 stitches created, and we have the 3 chains. You continue these steps until you reach the desired length. And once you've made a few, it'll look a little bit like this. So we have the top of the single crochets here. Along here we have our chains. And as you can see, nice and stretchy, and it gives a really nice finish. And that's it. This is how you make the foundation single crochet.